Hey, how are you? Welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar.
Hey, Chris, how you doing?
Oh, great. Yourself?
I'm thirsty.
All right, what would you like for today?
Well, I'm thinking gin today, but
okay, love gin.
something a little different. Maybe something obscure.
Ooh, okay. I think I have the drink for you.
Yeah?
I just grabbed this new bottle of Absinthe.
Oh, I love Absinthe.
Do you?
Yeah.
Because not everyone does.
Yeah, I like it.
It's a very dangerous spirit made of fennel and wormwood and anise.
Dangerous.
It can be if consumed improperly. Yes.
Right.
Great gin, with gin,
Yeah.
absinthe,
Uh-huh.
Cointreau to sweeten it up a little bit.
Wow.
A little bitter.
Yeah, that
A
sounds
little
good.
orange zest is something different. It has
Zest.
the gin you like.
Yeah.
And it's called the Wink.
The wink, okay.
It's created in London.
Give me a wink.
All right, Wink, coming right up. So the first step we're gonna do, sir, is we're gonna do an absinthe rinse. So we're gonna rinse. So we actually don't consume the absinthe here.
No.
We're gonna get a rocks glass filled with ice. We're gonna get your absinthe. We're gonna measure out about a half an ounce. And then we're gonna add water to this.
Wow, look at that.
And there you have the Wink. I'm just kidding.
Oh, no.
We're gonna sit to the side.
Okay.
Into your cocktail.
You're teasing me.
Shay, it was a tease.
You're
Yes,
teasing me with
tease.
this absinthe.
It's
Because I love
It's
absinthe.
like a martini when you chill a glass
Yeah.
with water and ice.
Oh,
you
you just-
here you go, enjoy.
Oh,
they die every time.
All right.
And the gin you like, we're using a London dry gin.
Yeah.
We're looking for 2 ounces here.
Where's this cocktail from?
It's from London. Shockingly enough,
Yeah.
from the Lonsdale.
Yeah.
The Lonsdale, London, created in 2002.
Oh, it's new.
Fairly new cocktail.
Yeah.
I just learned about it. So you're the first customer I'm actually trying out on. So it works out very well. Next, we're using our sweetener. We're gonna do Cointreau. Cointreau is the Orange Liqueur. It's like a premium triple sec. Then we're looking for bitters. We're gonna use Peychaud bitters today. We're gonna do 2 dashes. That's all for your ingredients and spirits. We're gonna add ice to your shaker. Give it a nice hard dry shake.
You ever been to London?
I have not.
Yeah, nice place.
I have not. I've heard.
Yeah.
I've heard you gotta save your pennies.
Yeah. It's expensive.
I've heard that. It's on the list. One day. Okay. Now that's shaking. We're gonna take this glass of absinthe, water, and ice. And we're gonna dump it out.
Oh no.
Just looking for the aroma, and that's just the aroma you want. Beautiful. Now we're going to strain up, which means ice, into the absinthe wash glass.
It's pink.
It's a nice color. From the Peychaud bitters.
Yeah.
Makes it pink. And we're going to do a zest, an orange zest for the garnish. Should be enough there. There you have the something different, the gin absinthe drink, the Wink.
The wink. All right.
Sir, give it a shot, see what you think.
Let me have one of those.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you think?
That's excellent. Yeah.
Just the
You get the nose of the absinthe, and then it's like a sweet orangey gin. It's delicious.
Wonderful. I'm glad.
Yeah, I love it.
I kind of thought this is the drink that you would like. The gin, something a little different, refreshing on a sunny day.
Yeah, I mean, it's great. I mean, this is a great bar you got here, Chris.
Great. Well, if you like the Blue Collar Bar, make sure you like the thumbs up.
Yeah.
Subscribe for many more cocktails.
Subscribe to the bar, yeah.
And then you can follow me on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
Of course. Yeah. That sounds great, Chris. Well, I gotta head to the loo.
All right. Make
That's
sure
what
you
they
wash
call
your
it
hands.
In London, right?
That is correct.
All right.
Well, thanks a lot.
Bye.
We'll see you next time.
All right.
Goodbye.
Bye.